In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the something went wrong issue on Instagram. If you've seen that message pop up while trying to open the app, refresh your feed, or post something, don't worry. It's usually a temporary glitch caused by the app cache, a flaky connection, or a minor bug. We'll start with quick fixes and then move to app-specific solutions so you can get back to scrolling and posting smoothly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. A fast way to confirm it's a connection problem is to open another app or a browser like Safari or Chrome and load a page. If other apps struggle too, it's likely your network and not Instagram. Next, restart your device. A simple reboot clears temporary system hiccups that can interfere with the app. Hold the power button, choose restart, and once your phone is back on, open Instagram again. If the error persists, force close Instagram completely and reopen it. This refreshes the app session and can kick out stuck processes. You can also toggle airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, and turn it off again. That forces your phone to reconnect to the network and often clears random connection glitches. Now let's address app-specific fixes. Clearing the app cache removes corrupted temporary files without deleting your account or posts. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Instagram, open Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, you can offload the app to clear its cache while keeping your data by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, selecting Instagram, and choosing Offload App, then reinstall it from the same screen. If offloading isn't available, simply reinstalling achieves the same result. Another helpful step is to log out and log back in. Go to your profile, open the menu, head to Settings, choose Log Out, and then sign back in. This refreshes your session and often resolves account-related glitches tied to the device. Finally, make sure Instagram is up to date. Open the App Store or Google Play, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. If you're already up to date and still seeing the error, uninstall and reinstall the app from the store. A clean install replaces any corrupted app files and gives you the latest fixes. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.